Everyone's talking about AI marketing prompts, but here's the truth. Most of them don't work. Not because the prompts are bad, but because the AI doesn't know you. If your model doesn't understand your tone, your visuals, and your audience, it's just guessing. So today I'm going to show you the 5 prompts every brand should be using and what you have to feed your AI first so those prompts actually work. So think of your brand like a person. It has a voice, a look, and a point of view. When you prompt an AI without that context, you're asking a stranger to write your story. So before you prompt, you need to preload your brand memory, your tone of voice, your product details, and your target audience, key visuals, and write examples of what good looks like. Once your model has that foundation, these 5 prompts become incredibly powerful. Analyze this email, caption, and ad copy. Extract the tone, rhythm, and phrasing. Summarize our brand voice in 3 lines. So this is going to teach the model how you sound, not just what you say. So you feed it your highest performing copy and it will start recognizing your cadence. At PolarPro, ours comes back as gritty, hands-on, precision-driven, and that summary becomes the base layer for every future output. Okay, next prompt. So using our brand voice and these product highlights, generate a campaign with 1 hero line, 3 social posts, and 1 email. This forces consistency across channels. The key input here is your product data, features and benefits, who it's for, and maybe a few visuals. The model can align that messaging so your email, ad copy, and caption all feel like they came from the same brain. So we're going to go, give me 5 creative angles for this product: emotional, technical, lifestyle, and social proof. So great marketing comes with testing angles. This prompt helps you break out of the tunnel vision and see your product from multiple perspectives. One angle might highlight performance, and the other, the feeling behind the brand. Then you test and learn which one connects. Prompt number 4, write 3 meta ad copy variants: 1 emotional, 1 problem solution, and 1 testimonial. When you combine this with all your actual performance data, the AI starts to predict which style your audience clicks most. So that's the start of the feedback loop. So creative meets data. So we're going to go, here are my last 10 posts and their engagement metrics, summarize what worked, and create 3 new posts that build onto it. So this is where it gets fun. Your brand starts learning from itself, and over time it becomes a system that improves every cycle. And that's the heartbeat over at VibeOS. Prompts are powerful, but only when they're powered by memory. And that's what we're building at VibeOS, a system that stores your tone, visuals, performance data, and products so every output gets smarter, faster, and more on brand. So follow along for more deep dives like this. Join the waitlist if you're ready to turn your brand memory into the greatest advantage. I'm Jeff with Vibe. See you on the next one.